Shrimp stir fry with square rice flakes. 1 dry packet of rice flake at any Asian market, 2 pounds of extra large shrimp, oyster sauce, salt and pepper, mushroom seasoning, minced garlic, sweet onion, cilantro, and green onions. Soak rice flake in tap water for 3 minutes. Wash 2 pounds of shrimp in cold water. Take your time, make sure it's nice and clean, and then drain it out. Hold the shrimp by its tail, then pull its leg all the way around and then flip it and pull the tail right out. See how nice and clean it is? Beautiful. Wash your hand thoroughly, especially from going raw to unraw items. Massage your rice noodle to make sure the water is coming out clear. Drain it and then soak it for another 3 minutes. Back to the shrimp. It's time to devein the shrimp. Make sure you have a sharp knife. Hold it tightly and bend it. Swipe it to the top and then pull it right out and then rinse it under the water. And then repeat. Rinse and drain. Wash your hand. Here is the cilantro and green onion straight from my garden. Make sure to wash it thoroughly, nice and clean. Make sure you get all the dirt out. Before slicing the onion, I give it a little rinse. Slice the green onion and cilantro into small bite size. Then slice for the sweet onions, just like this. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. Give the noodles a last massage and make sure the water runs clear, but look how flexible it is. You do not want to over soak it because the noodle will break. Drain it and put to the side. Medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil, 2 minced garlic, shrimp. Give it a nice stir. You hear the sizzling? Add 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, all of your sweet onion, all of your square rice flakes, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. Make sure it doesn't stick together. You gotta work fast. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of water. Add your green onions, add all your cilantro, and you're gonna cook for another 3 minutes. Keep stirring because you don't want the noodle to stick together. Kick it up a notch, add some lime and some chili pepper with fresh strawberry milk. Comment below, let me know what you think.